Hey there, and welcome to Coding with Drew. In this video, we're going to talk about plugins. WordPress plugins are the way we add functionality to our site. And there's tons of developers who build plugins for free and some for paid that will enable you to add new features like forms, portfolios. Reword, for example, is one of my favorites. And Reword right here, this provides this added feature that you can highlight and actually notify the author of errors or typos on your site. So it's already pre-stacked with a bunch of plugins, which will enable you to leverage for improved performance and also functionality. But what I want you to do is select all plugins and click Enable Auto Updates. So one of the many security flaws with WordPress is people will create a website and then forget about it. Unfortunately, security flaws are identified and then those security flaws get hacked. And so the sites become vulnerable to a lot of hacks. One of the easiest ways to protect yourself is to hide your login page. So I'd like to walk you through how to do that now. So up here at the top, plugins, click Add New. And over here on the right, I want to search for WPS autocorrect. WPS hide login. All right, and that's the first one right here. I want you to install it and activate it. So now we'll see WPS hide login. We can edit the settings here, or over here under settings, there's WPS hide login. We can edit them right here. And what I would recommend doing is making this URL something that you will remember, because if you forget it, it can be challenging to get access back. But I would recommend changing it to something that isn't so obviously or easily guessable. It also doesn't identify your site as a WordPress website, because everybody who's ever created a WordPress website knows that /WP admin is the way you log into your site. So we want to actually prevent that from happening and change it to something like login /Drew Learns. I could spell. And then we save it. So I'm just going to leave this as login for now because I will forget, and then I'll have to start over on this demonstration. Now we've learned how to add plugins. We've learned how to update our plugins. And you can also see the settings for a lot of these. What I encourage you to do is click through the settings for each one and get familiar with them. And while you're doing that, I will close this video out and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
It's all cool. Coding with Drew. It's all cool. HTML, CSS, WordPress. Get the lessons right here. Get the lessons right here. Get the lessons right.